In today's tutorial, we're going to be working on creating our business profile crafts. So we're going to click business first, and we're going to come up here to new craft. From here, you're going to see all of the different business crafts that we can start with. These are the kind of crafts that are going to help you and your business grow. So I'm going to start by a competitor research craft. With this, we can search any domain that we would like to start off the analyzation of competitors in our area or about our business. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that in and allow Craftify to do all of the work in just a couple of seconds. It's already found all of my competitors and different types of businesses that are similar to mine. Just go ahead and scroll through, make sure we like all of what we see, and we can click next. Then it's going to prompt us to see our pay-per-click competitors, and because on my website I don't use any PPC, that's why we won't see any data here. However, if you use this on your website, then you're going to find a lot of data here. I'm going to go ahead and click skip and complete since we don't have that part for this particular website, and we'll see all of our competitors. This is a great way for you to go ahead and start to choose some of these and get an idea of who your competitors are.